got a penny.
Well, what show is this?
Hi, welcome back to Science Help Learn. I'm Jane, and I'm with my dad again.
I'm the lab assistant.
I'm the scientist.
All right. So what are we going to talk about today, Jane?
We are going to talk about strength.
Strength?
Yeah.
Very cool. And what else? Go ahead.
How strong these three shapes we have up there. We're going to bring them up here in a little while.
All right. What else?
We're going to show off the rock candy
Oh, nice.
that we made. And we're trying to balance it on top of the cup.
There we go.
And we did it with the big one. The big one's for Mama and me to eat.
Nice.
The big one's actually for the whole family.
To share it?
Yeah,
Oh, I can't wait.
because one of us can't only eat it.
That's a lot of sugar for one person.
Yeah.
Okay. How did we make this? Do you remember?
I forgot.
You forgot?
You can help.
Oh, yeah, of course. We had to dissolve something into something else.
We had to dissolve sugar into some food coloring that was in water.
In water?
Yeah.
How did we get all that sugar into the water?
We dumped it in with the measuring cup.
Yeah?
That was 1 cup.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to do it 3 times.
3 cups of sugar?
Yeah.
Nice. And then we heated it up in the pan. Because when you heat up the water, the molecules move farther apart and more sugar can fit in between them. And then, when it cooled down, we put these
Rock candies
mm-hmm.
in these containers. That's a shish kebab skewer.
That's a shish kebab skewer. And we had to put some sugar on it first to be starter crystals. And then how long were we waiting?
7 days.
7 days. They're already starting to form little crystals.
Yeah.
So, we'll have another update on a future episode.
Daddy, you're behind the rubber band.
I'm behind. Oh, the rubber band is just holding the phone on the chair. It's not actually on the recording.
So now do we get this penny out?
Yeah, you want to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna get this penny out of some ketchup.
Oh, let me do this. Let me go and show the rock crystals close to the camera. Which one should I show?
Oh, this one looks great.
Okay, let's do it.
This one does.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay,
This
and
one.
I'll hold this so that it doesn't drip. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. It's got some crystals from the surface on it too.
Okay.
As you can see, there's already some crystals.
Hey, Dad, you're blocking my way.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm already getting the ketchup out of the bowl, and it's kind of messy.
What's inside the ketchup?
A penny.
Oh, why is there a penny in ketchup?
Well, this ketchup has a penny in there because it was sturdy. The penny was sturdy. Let's see how much the ketchup helped the penny.
The ketchup's gonna clean the penny?
Yeah, the ketchup cleaned the penny.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
You wanna get it out? Want me to get it out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it out. And also, we have to clean it off.
Okay.
So,
We can use this paper towel.
you have to clean it off.
Here's the penny from the ketchup.
And it has to be all cleaned off. And it's kind of messy.
It's a little messy, huh?
Yeah, but it's okay. Science is made for messy.
Science is made for messy. That's right.
Yeah, it's okay for science to be messy.
Okay. All right.
Like if watermelons are all over the ground or all over our table, it's okay.
Looks like we're gonna have to find an experiment with watermelons.
If we want want to experiment with watermelons.
What do you think about this penny?
I like it.
Yeah?
A little bit dirty.
A little bit dirty still? Do you think the ketchup did a good job of cleaning it?
Yeah.
Let's go
It's
show it.
super dirty,
Yeah.
and it didn't clean the top, but it's okay. Let's go show Mom. We'll be right back.
Here's the penny. Do you want to go get Mom while I'm showing the penny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy!
Pretty clean. What Jane was talking about is there's still a little bit of dirty on it. We'll take a short commercial break while Jane gets Whitney. Today's show is made possible by Heinz Ketchup. Heinz, when your penny is dirty.
What are you guys showing me?
This penny.
Is that the one that we put in ketchup the other day?
Yeah.
What?
And we're doing it with these pennies.
It totally is so much cleaner.
So what are we doing with these pennies? Do you think ketchup is the best way to clean a penny?
I think so.
You do? How can we find out if there are better ways?
Well, we just do it.
You should do an experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
What's
check
that?
that out.
Mom, you have to get out of here because now the show's getting started.
Okay.
Okay, and you guys are going to do your penny cleaning experiment.
Yeah.
Have
And
fun.
science is made for dirty, only for scientists.
Okay,
We're
Bye,
the
science.
only scientists here.
got it.
Okay.
Bye, scientist.
Bye. Okay, Jane, I'm gonna bring the materials to the table.
And all will help.
Okay, here. These are the cups we're gonna use.
It seemed heavy, but then it seemed light.
That's good. Here you go. Okay, so what did we decide beforehand we were gonna use? Here's this.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Okay. And then
Ketchup.
good old ketchup. And then what is this one?
Vinegar.
Yeah, with some salt in it. Oh, very good. All right. So what's our huh? Oh, there you go.
There.
So how are we gonna do this experiment? Oh,
We can pick how we want to.
so these are our 3 pennies. I'm gonna go show the pennies to the camera, and you can talk about what we're gonna do with them. That's 1 penny. Which one are we gonna put this penny in, Jane?
The vinegar.
The vinegar? Okay. So this can be the vinegar. And then this penny,
Could be the ketchup.
the ketchup. And this can be the ketchup here?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this penny,
Can be the vinegar.
the vinegar was the first one. The lemon juice?
Yeah, the lemon juice.
Lemon juice. Okay, let's get started.
Do, do, do.
Okay. So, ooh, ouch. This one is going to be the vinegar and the salt. Here, let's pour. Okay, just enough to cover a penny.
And now,
I put a little bit of salt in it. We gotta mix the salt a little bit here.
I want to do it.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Okay, there we go.
There.
Now, you want to stir that up with your finger a little bit so the salt gets into the vinegar?
You can dissolve in there.
Yeah, it probably won't dissolve all the way, but hopefully just enough will.
That smells like fart. There.
It does smell pretty bad, huh? Okay, here we go. Now, let's go ahead and put the penny in there. And I'll move our rock candies out of the way.
I dropped it in.
Nice. Okay, you want to do the next one while I'm cleaning up?
Yep. The next one is ketchup.
What did you tell me about ketchup earlier?
Then to help
Yeah.
squeeze.
Man, Why is it so hard to get ketchup out of the bottle?
Because it's a non-Newtonian fluid.
Oh, a non-Newtonian fluid. What is that?
It's a fluid that when you apply a lot of pressure to it, like when you punch the bowl, it acts like a solid. And when you don't add pressure, like when you just scoop it very slowly and push it very softly, it acts like a liquid.
Wow.
That's a non-Newtonian fluid.
All right, so we'll use ketchup, our non-Newtonian fluid, for this penny.
And
Just like the other one. Oh, let's cover it up a little bit.
Yeah, and we squirt some on there.
Oh, we just push it on like this. All right, ketchup is ready. Now, what's the last one?
The last one is the lemon juice.
Okay.
I'm going to pour this lemon juice in. Good. Come on.
Okay. Okay, good. We squeezed that from lemons ourselves, didn't we?
Yeah. I dropped it in. Now let's set these aside.
Got it.
We need to set these aside. That's why we're not doing the show right now. For
Well,
a little bit.
we're still recording.
Yeah.
Well, what are we gonna do with these
Well,
pennies?
we're gonna leave them out overnight and see which one cleaned the most.
Awesome. And that will be our experiment. Hey, do you have a hypothesis? All right, let's go talk to the audience, okay?
Later we'll show our hypothesis.
Do you have a hypothesis right now of which one's gonna work the best? The vinegar and salt, the ketchup, or the lemon juice?
Maybe the lemon juice.
You think the lemon juice?
Yeah, which one do you think?
I'm gonna guess the ketchup worked pretty well, but I think maybe vinegar and salt. I've seen vinegar clean some stuff pretty well. So let's see.
And let's see if the salt can help clean the vinegar.
Maybe so. I bet there's some very interesting chemical reactions going on.
Yeah. I hope it doesn't do chemical reactions for real. Oh, Dad!
Yeah.
Look! Look! The salt is for a rainy day.
Oh yeah. Is that salt falling from the sky?
No, it's not.
Today's video is brought to you by Morton Salt. Morton Salt. Also when you need to clean your pen.